All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's verb. Fill. 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 To put something into something else. Like this here. Fill. Yeah, to not make something empty. 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 I fill the cup. We will fill the car with fuel. They are filling the bags. I am filling the book with useful information. I am filling my lesson with new words for you. Yeah. It is filled with all sorts of smart ideas. The book is filled with all sorts of smart ideas. How cool is that, language explorers? So, we filled the car with petrol. Very nice. I am filling it with food now. Yes, we're filling the fridge with food now. Now, yeah. We should fill it up soon. Fill it up soon. Fill what up? The glass. We'll fill it up now with water. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, fill. To put something into something else. To make it not empty. 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 To put things inside something. So, can you use fill in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev or English with Adrian. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.